Hi, I'm Jamie Sanchez, and today we'll be sharing with you guys about Classroom Screen. Classroom Screen can be found at classroomscreen.com. It took me less than 2 minutes to get signed up with an account because I just signed in using my Google account. Subscription options as far as pricing. You have a free account which allows you access to all 21 widgets. You can take polls. You can save 3 lists of names, customize your widget bar, but you may not save screens. So if you use the free version, you would just have to create a screen each time. If you go with a pro account, which after previewing this website, I'm really thinking about using for my classroom this year, this level, it's just under $30 a year. You can save your screens and organize your screens in different workplaces. You can upload custom backgrounds, save up to 100 lists of names. So I could have one for all of my different classes that come in and all the different groups. And make custom widget themes, which just makes things fun. You can customize them. When you are going to use and create a screen to share, you can customize the background. So I could change the different background to whatever my mood is, or maybe to match the theme of what the lesson is. You can take polls. So this will allow you to have students have an opportunity to respond. You can do a randomizer. So in order to do a randomizer, you have to have a list of names. So if I just put in some names and hit continue, then once I hit this button, it will just randomly call on select a student to answer a question or to have a turn to share. You can also do the same thing with the group maker. So again, I didn't save the list because I'm just putting in random names. These are not real student names. I'm just putting lists together. So let's say I want 2 groups. It will put 3 students in each group. Hit create groups. And now students are grouped. And then if I would like to switch their grouping, then I can easily just hit shuffle. And now they're in different groups. So I found that super handy for grouping students for different parts of lessons. You can embed put up a QR code, and so students can scan that to go answer questions or take a quiz. And we'll talk about how that connects to like the Bloom's model here in just a moment. You can add images, you can add text boxes, so I can say when finished, complete quiz via QR code, and then you can move everything. You can make it as big or small as you want. Move the boxes around, put things where you like them. It does allow you access to like a traffic light. So I could see using this in my classroom. So when students are working, they're on a green level, which means that they are following the expectations, the voice level. When they start getting too loud and you give them that warning, you could switch it to yellow. Hey, you've had a warning, 1 more warning, and we go to a voice level 0. And then once it's red, voices are off. And then they could maybe even earn it back and go to like a whisper or talking kind of thing. You can have like work symbols, which I thought was nice. So then if you do want them working quietly, here's a nice little visual that you do. You can say that you want them to work together, that you want them to use a whisper voice. There's also visual timers. So you can set a timer on there. You can put a clock on there. There's just all these different widgets that can be utilized. You can embed videos. You can also, and it won't work while I'm doing this video, but you can also put your webcam up there and share that. Connecting this to Bloom's, I feel like just quick answering questions, like the taking the polls would be maybe under this understand or remember, because they could either identify or like list and recall facts. You could put assignments in there, like quick quizzes where they have to like apply or analyze the information that they had. And then for like evaluating or creating, maybe creating those QR codes where they have to go and apply it into a new level, like create their own assignment or create their own set of questions or create their own project that matches what you guys were just learning about. In regards to the SAMR model, I think that it would be more, this website would be more of in the augmentation and or the substitution. because to me it would substitute the use of pencil paper all the time, because you're using their computers like for the QR codes or for connecting to the links that you might share, and also use of the smartboard to project the classroom screen. But I think that this is a really, really great website. I have already saved it into my classroom resources page folder that I have, and plan to start creating some different screens to use for the different lessons that I have. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you maybe check it out and find some use for it within your own classrooms.